Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Makoba ba Sandy Home Recipe. And then they can I'll share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. And the best a bear coconut chocolate ice cream. Where a dry coconut. Obebo. Na way a dreading a free moon. Where ye win. No way to tremble in Ketsoa. Oh, yeah, no, I'll room 2 times. One agree na the go ade a be blend wo mu. Now the nso e da gu no blending na together. Wawie no na wachi mu nso ni nyina. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Wawie na da si nchen. Now the 1 cup milk egu saucepan mu. Uwia wo the 1/4 cup sugar aka ho. 1.5 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. Uwia na da kosi jar so eden ama na huru. Ehuwie pe na watwe na wakokohwie gu coconut milk nim. Baabe mana aju kakra ansa. Wo de 1/2 teaspoon vanilla aka ho. 1 tablespoon condensed milk. One mixing that together. Wakohwie gu ice cream cup and a disposable cup. Wo de agu mawie na wo de wo ice cream stick ahihye ebia mu. Would I kwese freezer for 5 hours? After 5 hours, na wayi. Na wasere. Yep, my choice and the kind I'll share video. Remember to subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like it. When me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one sabeka. Me yeah ice cream where me tasty here no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our coconut chocolate ice cream. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.